What's up, nail geeks, and welcome back to another Monarch Lacquer video. I feel like it's been a minute, at least since Black Friday, since we've seen Monarch on the channel. Adrian's been super busy with the shop and some new releases, and if you have been following Monarch for a hot minute, you know that she typically, at least last year, she was doing the Mix It Monday type thing where people got in and they named something that she created on Monday on her Instagram, and then if your name was chosen, then you won the bottle. This year we have something I think even cooler, if I dare say. Like I thought Mix It Monday was super original, and I do love that originality when I see it. But the Bottle It Up is a thing that Adrian's doing for monthly for Monarch for this year, and it's really cool. So what it is, if you follow Monarch on Instagram, I'm going to get confirmation if you can do it on the website too. For those of you who are not on Instagram or social media, things like that, outside of YouTube, of course, duh. But there is a form that you can go on and you can fill it out, your wildest dreams for a polish that you've always wanted. It's going to go in that form. If Adrian picks it, you obviously get that polish. Every month there's going to be 3 of them. It's going to be a trio. And this month's Bottle It Up trio is what I'm going to show you all. She kind of chose like a Valentine's theme type thing, and they have super cute names, and they're actually very, very pretty. So this is going to be a short and quick video talking about the Bottle It Up new trio for this month. And I will, of course, in my description box, link you all to how you can have access to that form and upload your dream creation too. So without further ado, let's check out this month's trio. Too Cute to Care is a raspberry wine base with rose gold reflective glitter and scattered holographic sparkle. This is one of my favorite types of finishes. It's got a little bit of regular glitters and a little bit of reflective glitters, and we have a ton of sparkle going on. It does have that gritty type of dry down to it, so you will need a glitter smoothing top coat in addition to your glossy top coat of choice to maximize all that sparkly goodness and smooth it out. I'm going to suggest 2 coats, and that's really all you need. I think a 3rd coat is going to be overkill, as we do have a very plump formula. This will topper pretty well over dark colors and matchy match, so you can get a little creative there, as the base is not too jelly enough that you could get a little creative. Golden Goddess is a soft brown base with fine golden shimmer. This is a warm type of brown, but as you'll see here in just a moment, I thought it built up really well against my skin tone. So medium to deep tones. I know this is warm, and if you are in the skin tone range like myself, maybe not shy away from this one. Maybe get out of your comfort zone a little bit. You might enjoy this one. This will reach opacity on the 2nd coat. However, I took it up to that 3rd coat because I always say I like that plump appearance, and this one kind of fits that bill. So your preference if you want to stop at 2 coats or not. If you do a 3rd coat, of course, go in thin, and it toppered pretty well over black, but your preference on that too. I personally wouldn't topper this one. It's just one of those super shimmers that you're just not doing it justice. And then the last one in the trio is another amazing pink. We are getting some badass pinks from the makers this month. This one is I Bring My Own Sunshine, which I love that name. Described as a hot pink neon base with loads of fine golden shimmer. I did take this one up to 2 coats for opacity, and it plumped up really well. It has a bit of a squishy bounce back to it, like a very crelly type of formula, so personally, I would not go up to a 3rd coat. It's going to be overkill, and you might have too much polish, and that's a mess on your nails. So plump it up, 2 normal coats. You will need a good glossy top coat with this one. P.S. Monarch's gel-like glossy top coat is chef's kiss for that plumping type of gel factor. Highly recommend that one. And as you can see on my macro shot here, this is another amazing hot pink that's going to flatter medium to deep skin tones so ridiculously well. The Bottle It Up trio for February is currently available on the site if you want to get in there and check that out. Be sure to use my affiliate code PolishedMage10 for 10% off your order. If you have already used your the newsletter for the first time orders for that 10% coupon, you can use my affiliate code for a coupon for that. I will link you all below to Monarch Lacquer, and I'll also link you to the Facebook group if you want to get in there and interact and see additional swatches, share the love of Monarch, all that fun stuff. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.